With video having grown 300% across the internet since 2017, the business that knows how to leverage video, how to scale video, how to make it so that they have quantity and quality is the business that's going to win. And that's exactly what we're doing here at ClearMix, helping you win with video. Hi, my name is Wyatt Frasier, and I'm a product marketing manager here at ClearMix. I wanted to show you how with just 60 minutes of my time and imagination, plus the entirety of the ClearMix machine behind me, I was able to create an entire week's worth of video strategy and show you how your organization can do that too. So what we wanted to show you with this content blitz was just what you can do with just 60 minutes of your marketer's time. We reached across our entire organization, showed several of the ways that we operate here at ClearMix, and you can do that too. The company that understands how to leverage video is the company that's going to win, and we make scaling your video strategy possible.